I think it would still be Fiam. I think it would still be Fiam. We said our apologies to each other. We said thank you also to each other. And we said all the love that we can nung nandun din ako sa bahay. But I think it's still important to be reminded also yung weight ng nangyari. So, hindi naman dahil porket nasabi na namin once, okay na. Because we're in the healing process eh. So, it's not madali. So, yun talaga, to apologize to her. Once again, to everyone, to the family, to the friends and supporters. And also to say thank you. Because it takes two to tango eh. So she was very also open. She also asked for forgiveness, but more than that, she was willing to take me in. And nung the remaining days na I was there, nung nag-merge na din kami, sobrang, it's still the same. Ang dami niya, she calls me Jazz and Helen, pero lumalabas din yung Ate Jazz, help ako, pag ganun. So nafe-feel ko talaga, she's really genuine when she said, right now, looking at you, I think I found my sister and my big sister, and she's right in front of my eyes. So sobrang totoo yun na, grabe. Kaya, let's spread love. Because parang we mentioned before I left na whatever we built here, let's maintain it and let's have a strong relationship. So we talked about na bonding moments na gagawin namin outside. So yun na lang. Kaya natin mag-date. Hopefully not soon din.
Yeah.
Sa lahat, not soon din. Pero yun lang. Paglalabas sa shop, kailan tayo mag-girl date?